Heal your aura. Welcome, seeker, to this gentle journey of aura healing. Your aura is an energetic field, a vibrant tapestry reflecting your inner self. Today, we'll cleanse and revitalize it, allowing your true colors to shine. Begin by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes softly and take a deep, cleansing breath. Feel your connection to the earth, grounding your energy, releasing any tension. Imagine a waterfall of pure, white light cascading over you. This light washes away negativity, stress, and stagnant energy from your aura. Visualize any darkness dissolving, returning to the universe for transmutation. Now, envision a golden light surrounding you, mending any tears or weak spots in your aura. This light fills you with love, peace, and strength. Feel your aura becoming whole, resilient, and radiant. Affirm, my aura is strong, vibrant, and protects me. Repeat this affirmation silently, feeling its truth resonate within you. Know that you are surrounded by a shield of positive energy. Take a few more deep breaths, integrating this healing energy into your being. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this renewed sense of peace and strength with you throughout your day. Your aura is now refreshed, revitalized, and
Subscribe for more content.